Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Yamaha RMAX Accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for owners of this versatile and powerful machine, significantly enhancing its functionality, comfort, and overall riding experience. Whether you're tackling tough terrains for work or enjoying recreational adventures, this video will explore a range of must-have accessories to elevate your RMAX to its full potential, from practical add-ons that boost performance and durability to comfort-enhancing features that make every ride more enjoyable, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Number 5. SAUTVS LED Hood Light for Yamaha RMAX. This innovative light is designed to enhance the look and functionality of your Yamaha RMAX. It's built to withstand any weather condition and provide superior illumination. It boasts high-quality LED beads that are brighter and more energy-efficient than traditional halogen lights, reaching 2,500 lumens. Enjoy superior visibility on the road. The advanced air duct design and grooved heat sink ensure rapid heat dissipation, keeping it cool and reliable even during extended use. Its integrated design seamlessly blends with your vehicle's aesthetics. It's the perfect addition to enhance your ride style. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary hardware included. You can easily connect it to either your high or low beam headlights. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's built to last. The IP67 waterproof rating and internal protection mechanism ensure a long service life of over 30,000 hours. The package includes the LED auxiliary light, mounting hardware, and installation instructions. A helpful installation video is also available online. What we like. It boasts incredibly bright LEDs and is completely weatherproof. If you need extra visibility in any conditions, this is the light for you. This ensures you'll always have a clear view of the road ahead, no matter the weather. What people say. Easy to install, works great, decent amount of light for such a small light. Also great replacement for stock, fake air intake on buggy. And does not get stuck after branches. Install was super easy and fit and finish is very good. Light is centrally located and very bright. Activation of the light is by putting on your brights. Great distance and lights up the trail well. Easy install. Fits very well and throws out more light than I expected for a 2500 lumen light bar. I tested it. It draws 2.3 amps. They need to make more of these faster, because almost every RMAX owner wants one. Number 4. Yamaha Wolverine RMAX Firewall Shields. These splash shields are designed to protect your Yamaha Wolverine RMAX. They're easy to install and will keep mud and grime out of hard-to-reach places. It's made with pride right here in the USA. These shields are built to last, using only superior materials. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need, including hardware and instructions, is included in the box. Say goodbye to mud buildup in those hard-to-clean areas. It keeps your machine looking and running its best. They are specifically designed for 2021 to 2023 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 2 and 4 seat models. You won't need these if you have a 2024 or newer model. It arrives ready to install. No bending or shaping required, saving you time and effort. They are built to withstand even the toughest conditions. Enjoy long-lasting protection for your investment. What we like. This splash shield is incredibly easy to install and built to last. If you're tired of mud and grime, this is the solution. Its superior materials and American-made quality guarantee long-term protection for your machine. What people say. Easy to install and helps keep dust and cold air from coming in through bulkhead. It fit my 2021 Yamaha RMAX 4 1000 perfectly. The quality of the product is very good. Great fit. Super easy to install. Took about 15 minutes in total. Worked great. Number 3. Yamaha Wolverine Accessory Power LED Kit. Enhance your Yamaha Wolverine with this Accessory Power LED Kit. It seamlessly integrates additional accessories into your ride, providing convenient power where you need it. This kit easily connects to your Wolverine's pre-wired power couplers, located conveniently under the dash. No complicated wiring is needed. It's compatible with a wide range of Yamaha Wolverine models, including the RMAX2, RMAX4, and 850X2 and X4 from 2018 to 2021, and even the 2016 to 2018 Wolverine 708. Built with durable, high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide reliable performance for years to come. It's corrosion and wear resistant. The kit includes 5 power LED harnesses and 10 heat shrink crimp connectors, ensuring a secure and professional installation. Everything you need is right here. This kit is a direct replacement for part number B4JH25B0V000, making installation simple and straightforward. What we like. This power LED kit makes adding accessories a breeze. If you are looking for a simple way to add more power ports, this is the perfect solution. Its high-quality construction ensures reliable power to your favorite gadgets. What people say. The key-on plugs are behind the firewall on the driver's side, and the plug fits the factory Yamaha like a glove and works great. They work perfectly well and sealed when connected to the accessory plug ports. Fits perfectly on my Yamaha Wolverine. Number 2. SAUTVS RMAX Door Pockets. Tired of clutter in your Yamaha RMAX? These handy door pockets add extra storage without taking up valuable space. They're a simple solution for keeping your ride organized. Installation is a breeze. They mount directly to your door and come with all the necessary hardware and instructions. A quick video guide is also available online to help you through the process. Built from high-quality PP plastic, it can withstand the elements. They're designed to be durable and reliable, no matter the weather conditions. Using 3D scanning technology, it ensures a precise fit for your Yamaha RMAX 2021 to 2025. They seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's design. These pockets provide convenient storage for small items, making them easily accessible while you're driving. Keep your essentials close at hand and your cabin tidy. Upgrade your Yamaha RMAX with these convenient and durable door pockets. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. These door pockets add extra storage without taking up space. If you need more storage in your RMAX, this is a must-have. Their durable construction means they'll withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. What people say. The pockets worked great and fit perfectly. These are the only RMAX door pockets that I have found that are molded so the opening is bigger and the storage capacity is greater. All the other ones I have found are a pre-cut pre-drilled flat piece of plastic. These also are pre-drilled and fit the existing mounting points perfectly, plus it has one extra mounting point that requires drilling a 1/16 hole before you can install the additional screw that is included. So easy to install, great storage capacity for maps, gloves, miscellaneous. Really do recommend adding to your OHV vehicle. Number 1. Yamaha RMAX LED Hood Light. This light is designed to enhance the look and visibility of your Yamaha RMAX. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. With 2,500 lumens, it provides significantly brighter illumination than standard lights. Enjoy improved visibility, especially at night. It's made from durable ABS material and is IP67 waterproof. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Installation is quick and easy. It's a simple plug-and-play design. No modifications to your vehicle are required. It seamlessly integrates with your Yamaha RMAX's design. It's a stylish addition that enhances the overall look of your machine. The package includes the LED light, mounting hardware, and easy-to-follow installation instructions. Everything you need is right there. What we like. This LED light offers superior brightness and is incredibly durable. If you want to upgrade your RMAX's lighting, this is the perfect choice. Its simple plug-and-play installation makes it a quick and easy upgrade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.